Hey guys, it's Rory with SoyaCincau.com and you join me once again in MWC 2019 where I will be bringing you all the latest and most important tech news that mattered in case you missed it. Before I begin this video, I'd like to give a huge thanks to our roaming and innovation partner Digi for making our coverage of MWC 2019 possible. Enjoy borderless connectivity with Digi's affordable roaming plans from as low as 5 ringgit per day and manage them all easily with the MyDigi app even when you're overseas. Learn more in the link in the video description. So earlier last month, Apple put out a call to all their iPhone users to submit their best photos shot on iPhone. From there, 10 winners will be chosen and have their photos displayed on billboards and banners in Apple retail stores as well as online. Well, the good news is they finally announced their winners. The cool thing about these winners is that the photos that were shot on a whole variety of smartphones that range from the brand new iPhone XS all the way down to 2016's iPhone 7. And the photos look amazing. The pictures come from all over the world and some of them look truly spectacular. My favorite one has to be the one with the reflection in the heart-shaped pond. That one looks really cool. I guess what this means is that you really don't need some fancy 5-camera smartphone to take awesome photos. In other Apple news, it looks like Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak really wants a folding smartphone. In an interview with Bloomberg, he talked about how Apple has been a leader in smartphone development for quite some time now, but now he expresses concerns that Samsung and Huawei, two of Apple's biggest rivals, are beginning to steal the spotlight with their folding smartphones. He said in relation to Apple, quote, "They are not a leader in areas like the folding phone and that worries me because I really want a folding phone." Well, Apple, you heard him. Get to it. Oh, and speaking of folding phones, we actually got the rare opportunity to check out Huawei's latest folding smartphone, the mind-boggling Huawei Mate X, a couple of days ago. Beyond just having a whole bunch of really awesome kick-ass flagship specs, it's also one of the most amazing folding smartphones that we've ever seen. But you know what, I'll let past me do the talking, so make sure to check out the video and written post linked in the description box below to find out what we think of Huawei's brand new phone of the future. So, Huawei is set to unveil their brand new P30 Pro flagship smartphone next month, and we've already seen a whole bunch of leaks of it. But now someone has apparently gotten their hands on a P30 Pro prototype that they say is almost completely final. The problem is this almost completely final smartphone doesn't look like anything we've seen leaked so far. I mean, it doesn't even have that quad camera system that was set to debut on this brand new smartphone. So, does this actually mean that this is the real Huawei P30? Well, only time can really tell, but for now, our money is on no. The mySalam scheme is an initiative by the government to offer free health insurance to those in the low-income B40 group. This initiative was introduced last month, but now there's finally a portal where Malaysians who are eligible can register and make their claims online. Beneficiaries can make their claims starting the 1st of March 2019 and checks can be done online at mysalam.com.my. Thanks to Airbnb for making us feel at home in beautiful Barcelona during MWC 2019. Book online today and get your very own stay-in experience at your next travel destination. Learn more in the link in the video description. And that's it for this episode of ICYMI. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. And don't forget to like us on Facebook and keep your browser locked to SoyaCincau.com. Also, we'd love to hear your feedback. Let us know what you think of this show and how we can improve further episodes of ICYMI in the comments below. In the meantime, you can check out more videos from our MWC 2019 coverage right up here, as well as the last episode of ICYMI right down here. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!